Why the Pomeranian acts bigger than its size. Pomeranians are naturally confident and expressive, often showing no hesitation in new situations. This bold personality can make them act like much larger dogs despite their small size. This breed is highly alert and attentive to its surroundings, quickly reacting to sounds and movement. Because of this awareness, Pomeranians often behave like watchdogs, always ready to signal changes in their environment. Pomeranians were historically valued as companion and alert dogs, especially in royal households. Over time, this role reinforced their tendency to stay observant, vocal, and confident. The Pomeranian's behavior is shaped by confidence, alertness, and its historical role as a companion watchdog. Full guide available on Amazon. Search Inspire Books or use the link in bio.